We got lost in the forest.
No, we didn't get lost. We just found a new way.
What a new path. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're on our way to a hike. Yeah, not sure where we're going yet, but I will let you guys know. At this point, we had arrived at the Newlands Forest. We'd actually gotten in to the entrance, but we struggled to find parking. So we just had to make our way out and then find parking by the side of the road just nearby. So yeah. No, we used last time, was that not normal?
20 minutes. Chill.
Granny's and music. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go, go. Let's go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
I guess you can kind of like use B-roll and then like put sure. Yeah, it's gone. Hi guys, we're in Newlands Forest. Say hi to the guys at the back who are also filming. Nochika morning kana mambo reswa ne waro. Not morning. Tungonyarara. Hi guys, so we're Newlands Forest, and yeah, so we just passed the. Oh, sorry, we haven't even gotten halfway yet. But yeah, it's been nice and fun, getting warmed up, and yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, it seems like we're closer to the waterfall now. You can hear the water thing. Oh, is this it? Out here, and as you can see, the water is flowing.
This is waterfall part 2.
Behold the beautiful waterfall.
The one we actually wanted to see.
Yeah. Yes guys, we have arrived.
Chete,
Huh?
as we have arrived at the beer.
Look, we have arrived. You can see.
Nice. Yeah, see, this one is impressive. Eh?
I'm gonna take a picture of us.
What did she coach? What did she?
I'm happy to be here, you know. Finally made it to the top, guys. So.
Finally. Oh, no,
What?
Apple.
Oh, good. I think the plants.
I think you can choose to go up or down.
Is it?
I suspect.
I think we can go down there.
So we going this one?
So yeah, guys. Did you take it next take again? What are we doing?
What do I mean? We're going to send the right guy YouTube yenyu. This is nice. Yeah. See, this is what we came for. 2 hours. hopefully going home. I hope so. Near team here, do the hiking team. You don't need basic. Come on, guys. Come on, yeah. I'm telling you, put it there, guys. Don't mess with this person. Casualty number 1, number 2, number 3. Oh, guys, there's the car. Yo. There's the car in the distance. How do you feel?
Happy to be back.
I'm not panicking.
No, I was calm all the way. I kept us together, you know.
Hey,
I kept the team together. I was the glue. I was the strength.
Yeah, we're out. Just heading towards the car now. That was a good hike. We got lost in the forest.
no, we didn't get lost. We just found a new way.
What a new path.
A new path.
You can put it that
Yeah.
way. We found a new pathway. And definitely not going back the same way again. But
Definitely not going back, period. It's okay.
yeah.